Manipur Governor V. Shanmuganathan visits earthquake victims who are undergoing treatment at the Shiza Hospital. BJP leader Chauba hints at a possible change in state's politics after municipal council and Nagar Panchayat elections. People suffer due to damage on retaining wall of suspension bridge over Barak on Tamelong-Haflong Road. And Manipur Police Sports Club A lifts the 31st N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tumbi Polo Trophy. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandrawal Kimcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Governor V. Shanmuganathan today visited the quake victims who are admitted at Shiza Hospital at Langol. The governor came to the hospital this afternoon at 12:30 and met the 3 injured persons who are being treated at the hospital. He inquired them about their health and wished them a speedy recovery. V. Shanmuganathan also gave them fruits, chocolates and biscuits.
The central government and the state government, it is very much concerned about the sufferings of our people. So yesterday I visited Ima market, then I visited some of the houses damaged. Today morning also I visited some of the relief camps around Senapati district, and afterwards finally I came here. So overall the people who are affected, they are taken care of and nobody is left out. And easily or quickly the relief measures are reaching them, and some of the houses are to be reconstructed, and for that the efforts are going on.
A team of 4 MLAs led by Tamelong MLA Zamhelung Panmay yesterday visited Kabui Kulen Part 1, the epicenter of the earthquake that jolted Manipur on January 4. MLA Zamhelung Panmay said the visit was to take stock of the situation of the village, which falls under his constituency. He maintained that memorandums submitted by the villagers during the visit will be handed over to the state government and he will help in shifting the villages to a safer place. Villager V.T. Mazathui drew the attention of the government to grievances facing the villagers in transporting their belongings for rehabilitation due to bad road condition and appealed to repair the damaged houses before shifting to other safer places. V.T. Mazathui also added that the cracks seen in the village are widening day by day. Observing that natural calamities like earthquake can occur in any place of the world, Sagolban MLA R.K. Imo today said it is not the time to blame each other. Speaking at the annual function of Sagolban AC Progressive Committee, R.K. Imo said instead all need to be united at this critical juncture and urged the government to build quake-proof buildings in the state to prevent from massive destruction in the future.
Maybe we construction quality on the we quality government school ki government building the saba government ke ranga toga weram dabi ai adubu mar chumna gi lai dina khuda tekte ningai gi bani nate yamna achoba nik balda yaw gi bani aduna masese party khrana akoi kodak tamasi civil bari togo ni hai na potna haga mota ai wakandadi tuna anauba singat minaraga mathangadi earthquake proof buildings have you madu pulak manaraga madu haiba phabra khamjabeba.
All Manipur United Clubs organization, Amuko, has accused the Hill MLAs of misappropriating funds meant for the welfare of the tribal people. The organization visited Taningzam in Tausam subdivision in Tamelong district after the earthquake and provided help to the people of the interior village and discussed their grievances. The aid included food items and other essential commodities. The aid was part of the program of the organization, which has been working towards strengthening the bond among the various communities living in the state. The 6-member team of Amurko included Vice President W. Gonendro, Secretary Publicity Sanabam James Kumar, and former General Secretary N.C. Modhuchandra. They held a meeting with the villagers in the presence of the chairman of Taningzam Village Authority, T.R. Ringtining. Amurko Vice President W. Gonendro alleged that funds sanctioned by the centre and state government for the welfare of the tribal people have been misappropriated by the Hill MLAs. He said this has created a rift between the Hill and the Valley.
Chingi MLA mayam si khaksida chingi goiba pira iba center de direct pira iba port mayam sing si sina base yamna nakhai singna khangmina basangi aduga khangaba matungda akhoi ge phangpham thokpa lei habasi khangum thoi tawgada mayam sing se tawram dabna akhoi ga lapnarak pasina maram war kanda akhoi ra nungsina da create tawba amana amu chaiba amana amu hunba thokdok si thoi haina lawi akhoi punam ke nungsina bari les nama khakla kanda kari na kari tawsige kari na kari pangsin sige karon hain tawduna akhoi awat pa mayam sing si mengkhat sige tawdaba yaba sini first priority sini hybrid sing ba singse akhoi sangsin mina si
Technopole MLA D. Korungthang today inspected the integrated checkpost at More. He said Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh has asked him to inspect the construction of the integrated checkpost. Speaking to media, President D. Korungthang said Chief Minister wants the checkpost to be completed as soon as possible so that the trade ties between the Myanmar and other South Asian countries can be improved. The MLA also appreciated additional SP More M. Mubi for extending all possible help in the construction of the integrated checkpost. He also advised the workers to maintain quality in the construction of the integrated checkpost so that it does not suffer damage like Ima Kaithel.
Honorable Chief Minister na yam interest lo ba time bound da lehaning ba aduga koi Indo Myanmar gi trade su input lehaning ba loina na gi South Asian countries singi aduga connectivity le ba trade ki su everything Honorable Chief Minister ni yam interest lo ba aduga project amani kuna lehaning ba bata
MLA D. Korungthang and Chandal ADC Chairman Luke Hosai Zhou inspected the roads in More today. The team visited the roads leading to Tamil Temple Road, Pangal Vasti and Nepali Vasti roads in Ward number 5 and 6 near the Tamil Masjid Gate. The locals complained that as there is no culverts on the road leading to Pangal Basti and Nepali Basti, the area experiences frequent floods during rainy seasons. MLA Korungthang assured the locals that the road will be repaired using his local area development fund. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Thongnotam Chauba has accused MPCC President Gai Khangam and Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh of trying to portray a negative image of the BJP. Chauba today said the Congress Party is a party which says something and does something else and is communal. Speaking to news person at the BJP office at Nityaipat Chuthek, the BJP leader said Manipur Chief Minister was trying to bluff the people when he said at a campaign yesterday that Congress is responsible for the development in India, including Manipur. He said the Chief Minister misled the people when he said the BJP wave has declined in many parts of India. Praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi's effort to bring development in Manipur, Chauba asked which Prime Minister has ever said that India cannot develop without developing Manipur. He questioned why the government inspected the renovation of Kangla Mode every day when it fails to see the condition of Ima Kaithel. He hinted that there will be some change in the state after the municipal council and Nagar Panchayat elections.
RBI office Sanaba Honabada, Masajid Put, Sangaga, Magi government, Manipur government, police officer, Nakum Neka, Nisangirga, Maduda, Ikai Babigi, Chindana, Hindu, Muslim, Akoi Amatani, Haidana, Muslim give hot banks in the loan another, Matam Sang, Amakoina, Sito, secularism, Zatpa, Adunga party Nehanaina, Sas Taujari, Congress Namatam Sang, the Palak Padagi, Barat King, a sea way of Pum, she way when they have a city, Jama the Saman Lal of a Portman.
Polling and security personnel to be engaged in tomorrow's Municipal Council and Nagar Panchayat elections in Thawal have left 4 different polling stations. The polling will be held from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. The government has made elaborate security arrangements for free and fair poll. One-day awareness program on criminal trial appreciation and of evidence and professional ethics was held yesterday at District Court Complex, Thawal. The awareness program was jointly organized by District Legal Services Authority, Thawal, and Thawal District Bar Association, under the aegis of Manipur Legal Services Authority and attended by judges, advocates, and legal experts. Time now for a short commercial break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. Women vendors today blocked the Kongba Kaithel Road, preventing commuters to use the road. The women vendors were protesting the government's failure to rebuild the Kongba market shed. The market shed was badly damaged in the earthquake that hit the state on January 4. Cracks have appeared in most of the pillars. The Imphal East DC has prohibited entry to the market shed. The market shed was also inspected by PDA chairman and engineers, but they did not suggest rebuilding of the shed. Protesting women vendors said they blocked the Kongba Kaithel Road as the shed is in dangerous condition.
PDA ni aduni ne yeng bala me yeng dam yeng ami moi ji semani sarani aduni adani harmaga menta de akoi na pamjari je yam thuna sidok pa ngasi hayeng hangchit side yam thuna kaithel ji sidok piro na tradi mi si mina yaura ani aduga khoi gi phampham ji su uji koi chai chai re mafam ji da sabidri ngai da phambara na traga karino ama sinbi dana tawdraga di akoi akan ma khongjang ji kaya kaya changjala ani.
Lamlong Kaithel Development Committee, in a meeting held on January 9, has resolved to dismantle the market sheds as they have become unsafe after the January 4 earthquake. The meeting also resolved to request the authority concerned to construct a new structure in the market. Senior citizens for Manipur today organized a state-level Swachh Bharat Urban Mission Awareness Program at Hotel Imphal. The function was sponsored by Manipur Urban Development Agency, MUDA, members of Senior Citizens for Manipur, including President Laisom Lalit, Vice President Nepram Bihari, former Minister R.V. Mingtheng, and others attended the function. Mahut Director Git Kumar, MUDA Deputy Secretary Peter Salam, and Imphal Municipal Corporation Chief Executive Officer N.G. Uttam were the resource persons. Senior Citizens for Manipur Coordinator Dr. Moirang Thimnara said Senior Citizens for Manipur organized the function to create awareness about Swachh Bharat mission among the people.
Idea is very simple, acceptable. It's accepted. But implementation da karamna effectively tawgadage mahi chaba project ma ohenji habi taragadi madwaidani senior citizen yaurakpagi maram se dwaidani. Swachh Bharat ki makhada paisa khara lereku Litrin Shana Baganiko, Hain Tauraga, Tomba Chauba Homba Tika, Karada Sina Topiraba, Oiroi Hujiksu, Sahi Kiasi the Queen Urak Patava Kutosida, pending I oid the Baduni. Madwai the Niko Quina, I call importance lady and luxury.
A cleanliness drive on the theme of Swachh Bharat Mission Clean India, Clean Manipur was jointly organized by Directorate of Transport and JAC Diesel Auto for Polo Ground Parking across Imphal City today. JAC Diesel Auto for Polo Ground Parking General Secretary L. Somendro told Impact News that the drive was carried out with an aim to keep the Imphal City clean.
Akogi Imphal City da lakpiriba praja khudimana akoi Imphal City asin nan daba yade haibe wakhanda akoi isagi amot pasing atu mafam chana chana akhon thamjari ba 10 bin amadi Polo Ground hotel thambiriba amadi dukan tawbiriba chinau singsu amot pasing adu akhona thamjari ba 10 bin sing amadi amot pa hundokpam mafam chana hundok piroga akogi Imphal City asibu luna na bahona bada mateng pangbi.
Meanwhile, JNIM staff and auto rickshaw drivers today cleaned the surroundings of JNIMs under Swachh Bharat Mission.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯆꯤꯟ ꯀꯣꯌꯥ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯣꯠꯄ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣ ꯄꯥꯔꯀꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯇꯤꯟꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯣꯠ ꯑꯀꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯗꯁꯕꯤꯟ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯨ ꯅꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯨ ꯅꯥꯟꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯁꯤ.
ꯖꯦꯅꯤꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡ ꯁꯪꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯇꯣ ꯊꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯨ ꯅꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯁꯤ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯒꯅꯤ.
Meitei International Civic Action Network, MICAN, has appealed to all concerned to do away with violence and gun culture to protect the indigenous people of the state. In a press release, MICAN expressed grave concern over the prevailing situation in Manipur, which is threatening the peaceful coexistence of indigenous communities. It appealed to all to unite and strive for peaceful existence. Now, as done in the past, all Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union will observe the 27th Drivers' Day at truck parking Langjing Achoba on January 14. Speaking at a press meet at the office of the union at MG Avenue, General Secretary of the union, Maimom Anil Meitei, said rich tributes will be offered to the 212 drivers who lost their lives and gifts will be presented to their kins. Anil appealed to driver fraternity to stop plying vehicles on the said day and to all the CSOs and NGOs to take part in the observance.
Guru Lai Guru Singh, driver Singh from the Sadanjali, Ama Katanaba, Battle, Tawomatamda, Equina, Kaigumachita, Nandava, Mayama Yoki, Legasu, Lake Manung Singna, Nushibiduna, Langing as overtruck parking the driving in the Sinjariba, drivers day to meet Asida, Imunung Pudamagna, Lengbitanaba, all Manipur transport drivers and the motor worker union from the appeal to
Damage on the retaining wall of the suspension bridge built on Barak River along Tamenglong Haflong Road has caused lots of hardship to the people settled in the area. The bridge was built by the Public Works Department in 2012-13 and inaugurated in December 2014. However, cracks appeared on the retaining wall on the one end of the bridge a few months after the inauguration. Heavy vehicles cannot pass the bridge and even passengers have to cross the bridge on foot as the embankment caved in. The bridge can become useless if the authority concerned does not take immediate measures to reinforce the bridge. Chairman of Namtiram Part 2 village, Kainobo, said many reminders have been submitted to the government about the state of the bridge, but unfortunately the bridge still remains neglected.
Work Minister Ratan Kumar na laaga sangabiruni ado hozik portion si yadabigira kari tawbigino hozik phawa masi subya yadabado Hoziki Mondi Supta Chandre Gari Chopse. Masi quality maintain Tawdabado, Chicana, Pesa Sabagira, Carino, Adu di Kandre, Ecosi, Yang Minidubu, Moina, Atopa, Tauran, not Taunaraga, Taunacredo, Ecoin Haibu, German Hiroso, Public Hiroso, Sup Lauro de Ecogiwa.
Medical facilities under Mission Indradhanush Phase 2 RBSK and RCH Health Camp were provided to people living in 23 interior villages of Indo-Myanmar border. Under Block Program Management Unit 17, staff of Primary Health Center More provided treatment to people living in remote villages for 5 days from January 6 till today. More than 720 patients were treated at the camps. Villagers expressed their satisfaction at the service provided by the team despite the bad roads and other inconveniences. An oral dental health camp was held for ex-servicemen of the state at Ex-Servicemen Contributor Health Scheme Polyclinic Koirengay as part of the All India Ex-Servicemen Oral Dental Health Checkup Camp. Ex-servicemen along with family availed the services at the camp.
Imphal the Koirengay ex-servicemen contributor health scheme gi ECHS aina leiba polyclinics da veteran mayam gi families veteran masamo ki ya gi natraga oral gi health checkup ki damang free service camp ama thamjabani masi gi benefits sing se yamna chaw benefit ni na ex-servicemen community lising tara mong leiba manipur sida matam atai da so dum lakpiraga lengbiraga akoi gi kanaba sing se lawinaba haijaningi.
Wangkai Pantho today urged Utra Sanglil Sanakulung not to use foreign words like Jatra. At a prayer meet held at Pantho Isaikond at Wangkai Hijamlerak, Wangkai Pantho said the term for the main urep is Achiba. It may be mentioned that in a press release, Utra Sanglil Sanakulung has urged people to offer flowers at Jatra to keep away calamities like the earthquake. Wangkai Pantho said instead people can offer their prayer to Lining Tho or at main ureb which is called Achiba.
Amaiba Amaibi Sina Paugel Ama Pibira E Zatra the Laimasu Ahum Katlo Haidana Pire. Matam Leva Kivita, Maibi Sabasina, like a Pau Pibada, Sumna Pibira O, Loinana, Katpigano, Malem Yum Tong Kodimakda, Laimasu Ahum Haibadu, Zatra Hai, Aduga. Isana to Sandanavata Sandanavagi the Makta. Khairam Javasli, Lining Tole Merenda, Setna Sana, Tagona View, Men Urep, Hairibado, Asipa, Haina Kovani, Masidesda, Piriba Pauzelasida, Amaibi Saba, Amaiba Sabana, Saubigano, Selaiba Pauzelado, Lale Haidan Haizabani.
Now, news from the world of sports. Manipur Police Sports Club A lifted the 31st N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Trophy Manipur Police Sports Club A defeated Khurai Polo Club A 5-2 in the final played at Imphal Polo Ground today. Both the teams were unable to open their account in the first chakkar. In the second chakkar, SP Mol and Abung Kumar scored 1 goal each to give MPSC A a lead of 2 goals against Khurai Polo Club. In the third chakkar, MPSC A players Bimol and Ranjit scored 1 goal each, while Ojit of Khurai Polo Club scored 2 goals. In the last minute of the third chakkar, MPSC A's Abung Kumar scored another goal from his team. In the fourth chakkar, both the teams failed to score. The winning team, MPSC A, received a cash prize of ₹50,000 along with the rolling trophy, certificates and t-shirts. The runner-up, Khurai Polo Club A, received ₹30,000 cash award along with the rolling trophy, certificates and t-shirts. The tournament kicked off from December 27 last year, organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. Herojit Waribam Under 14 Gold Cup Hockey Tournament kicked off today at Kumalampak Hockey Stadium. Palm beat KHSC 1-0 in the opening match, while Hockey Union thrashed Thai 10-0 in another match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Hockey with 8 teams participating. Under 10 and under 13 state level TH Bir Chandra Singh Football Academy tournament organized by TH Bir Chandra Singh Football Academy kicked off today at the playground of the academy at Tabungkhok. In under 10 boys, TBSFAB Tabungkhok trounced Pamyal Patsoi 4-0, while in under 13 boys, UUFC Uripok beat MSC Malom 2-1. BFC Bashikong Panthoibi have reached the final of the 7th state level Moirangjam Ravichandra Memorial Open Football Tournament. In the first semi-final of the tournament, BFC Bashikong Panthoibi beat TAC Yai School 7-3. The second semi-final match between PFC Kiamgai and WFC Moirangkhom will be held tomorrow. And now, before we wind up, here is a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Manipur Governor V. Shanmuganathan visits earthquake victims who are undergoing treatment at Shiza Hospital. BJP leader Chowbe hints at a possible change in the state's politics after municipal council and Nagar Panchayat elections. People suffer due to damage on retaining wall of suspension bridge over Barag on Tamelong Haflong Road. And Manipur Police Sports Club A lifts 31st N. Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi Polo Trophy.